Welcome back all. So today we're gonna go ahead and perform another separation of functionalities as we did before with account list. So this component that we're about to create, we would like it to be used for the serving of content, for the serving of forms, for the creation of new accounts. It's not going to handle the storing of new accounts. Uh, it's not going to care about the logic that is used to basically store something into a database or something like that. We don't have a database yet, but at a certain point in time, we will have it. At the moment, I would just like to separate these functionalities. So the parent component will take care of the storage logic, and the other component which we're about to create, which will be a child component, will be in charge of actually creating of actually serving the forms to the user for the creation of new accounts. So as before, we need to create new folders. We need to create 3 new folders. So account form TS, account form HTML, and account form CSS. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy them from here, but I'm pretty sure that you can see this and rewrite it easily. Right click on the account and new file. Go ahead and create it. Then you're gonna need the HTML one. Again, just right click and new file. And the CSS, of course, we're gonna need that as well. New file. Okay, so we have these 3 new files. Now we need to populate them. The very first one which we're going to populate is the CSS, as that is the easiest one. We'll just go into the app component.css and take what remained there and place it into this file here and save it. And also save the app component.css, so now we know that it's empty. Next up, we're going to go into the app component.html, and we're going to take code from here in order to populate the account form. Now I have small begin and end tag comments here that tell me from where should I begin and where should I end the copying process. But pay close attention to what you need to extract from this HTML code. Go right below the accounts list and go into the first div here, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then next to last div will be the one that you want to take. So do you see it? This is the last div, this is the next to last div. So just Control X, take that, and go into the HTML file. Paste it, save it, save this, that you've saved this file as well from where you've taken the information. That's it. Now the account form, TS, I would like you to give it a shot prior to the beginning of the next tutorial to actually write at least a portion of the code here on your own. You can use this as a reference and this as a reference as well. So this is the part that I would like you to write out for yourselves. You don't need to actually deal with imports, I will show you that, but first I would like you to write this part out for yourselves. You will definitely be able to figure out what the template URL and styles URLs are. Just pay close attention to the subfolders here. So give it a shot before beginning the next tutorial. Doesn't matter if you succeed or fail, as long as you have actually tried. Well, in general, you actually learn more from failed attempts than you learn from the successful attempts, in my general logic of things. Okay, so I'm gonna bid you farewell here, and we're gonna meet up in the follow-up tutorial.